Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk about microwave oven from the brand Samsung, model number MC28H5145. So let's get started. Now this is a black color microwave oven from the brand Samsung and the capacity is 28 liters. Now you can do so many things in this, and the best part about this microwave oven is it comes with slim fry technology. Now if you want to try your favorite recipes like potato wedges or bread roll and everything which is generally deep fried, you can cook all that in this with very less oil. Now this microwave oven is 28 liters which makes it perfect for a big family also. Like if you have family of 6 to 8 or to 10 people, then this size is absolutely perfect for you. It comes with this various attachments, like you get these two grill racks to do your kebabs and pizzas and garlic breads and everything you can do on these two racks. That means you can do grilling also in this. Now there is this one more function in this. If you want to put your snacks and all like chicken tikka, shami kebab, soya chap and all, you can cook in this. Now there is also this glass cooking pot in which you can reheat recipes, you can bake, you want to make lasagna, pasta, you can cook all this. And then you also get a baking tray to do your cookies and brownies or pizzas, you can also do in this. Now everything is mentioned in detail in this user manual, so this comes in really handy if you want to know about the warranty, if you want to know about the cooking recipes, like it talks about the slim fry recipes, it talks about all the other recipes like your broccoli, your carrot recipes, your vegetable pizza, dokla, paneer toast, everything right from soups to starters to main course to your desserts, everything can be cooked in this Samsung 28-liter microwave oven. Now let's quickly take a look. It's really nice, very smart looking, the finish is very smart, and the interior of this microwave oven are made of ceramic, which makes it very attractive, classy, premium, and also it's easy to clean also, because a lot of time it happens while doing cooking, something spills on your microwave oven, so the stains will not stay for long and the smell also will not stay for long. It has this deodorizing button in which you can use that button and then all the smell and all will disappear. Now let's quickly take a look at the control panel. Now here you can see these different buttons, like you can not only do regular baking and grilling in this, but you can also cook your rotis and naans in this. That is one great feature to have. So you can cook your rotis, you can use slim fry technology. Now there's this one interesting button for curd and dough proof. Like there are various recipes for breads, for pizza base, where you have to prepare the dough. Now dough has to be set at a right temperature, and this microwave oven lets you make the dough, ferment that dough at a particular temperature. In fact, fermentation is also used to make curd, and you can also make curd in this microwave oven. So some interesting features which are not found in the other microwave ovens. For Indian recipes you have this to defrost. For convection, that means when you use the convection mode, this microwave turns into a convection like a OTG. So that means you can do your baking, your cakes and your cookies, your brownies, muffins, all that in this mode. Plus you have this grilling mode, you have normal microwave mode, you have this timer button, this stop button and the start button. So all in all, it's a great microwave oven to have, in which you not only you can reheat food, you can cook food, but you can also cook rotis and naans, and you can set curd in this and you can use it to set dough and all. So that was it about this microwave oven MC28H5145 from the brand Samsung. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.